On December 27, 1942, a PB2Y Coronado flying boat crashed into the north shore of the Salton Sea with 9 crew members on board. Only 2 survived.
Hi, this is Robert Marcos. My friend Bill Barry and I have driven out here to the north shore of the Salton Sea to search for a seaplane that went down out here in 1942.
We don't know exactly where that plane is. We only know that it's somewhere on the north shore of the Salton Sea, not far from the yacht clubs. We're going to do a grid search going out 2 miles, coming back 2 miles. We're looking for a needle in a haystack, that's for sure. It had a wingspan of 115 feet.
Damn.
The wing was 15 feet wide. So its total square footage was 1,780 square feet.
You flew about 10,000 feet out, right?
I flew 10,680 feet out, which was 2 miles.
What's the furthest you've ever taken this drone
This
out
is the
to?
farthest I've ever flown.
Wow. But it's nice to know, it's comforting to know that if anything happens, you can just safely land it where it's at, right?
No way to land it, that's for sure.
Okay, Bill's just come back after his first run. He made it 10,700 feet out over the Salton Sea. Okay, Sid was on his second flight back out, and he came across something relatively interesting that we have never seen before. Going out on his second flight with a brand new battery, and he, right off the bat, getting off the shore, he saw a couple of strange things sitting underwater. We decided to go ahead and descend to investigate them further, and the result of this is we got a great look at those objects. Unfortunately, he used up most of his battery power.
It's hard to determine what this object is, but I'm pretty sure it's not part of a wreck. It does give us an indication of what we can see when the water is clear. Today there was quite a bit of algae in the water, which made it very difficult to see much beyond 6 or 7 feet down. We believe that the aircraft is in a depth between 25 and 45 feet based on the topography of the sea. A helicopter pilot and a crop duster have both reported being able to see the outline of the plane when the water is clear. So join us next time as we continue our search for this mysterious seaplane. As the water clears this fall, we'll keep flying over open water in the hope of catching a glimpse of this ghost of a dying sea. If you're interested in our adventures, be sure to subscribe to our channel.